Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are talking about the best bed frames on Amazon. You guys, this is my choice for the easiest and most affordable bed frame out there. This is from Olee Sleep, and if you guys don't know about Olee Sleep, they are an amazing brand and they make great mattresses too. If you guys are in the market for a mattress, definitely check those out as well. But this is going to be your bed frame. And okay, so here's what I really like about this one. This is a foldable bed frame, so it comes to you really pretty much already assembled. So you're not gonna have to have any tools, you're not gonna have any effort putting it together. It's folded up, you unfold it, you're done. So that is really amazing for people that, like myself, I don't like putting furniture together. This is just going to be super easy. It's going to allow you to take it right out of the box and just be done. The other thing that's really good about this is that this is great for people that are, maybe younger people, college students. You're in your first apartment. You're someone who's going to move a lot. This is just a great thing for that. You can pack it up, take it with you, easily move it. You don't even need like a big moving truck or anything. This can fit, in really, your crossover or something, throw it in the back. And it's not gonna require a bunch of those tools to assemble and, reassemble. A lot of times when you order a bed on Amazon, it's gonna have a ton of different parts, a ton of different screws and things like that. And that's great if you're staying put. But if you are gonna move anytime soon, this is just such a better option, because undoing all of those screws, trying to keep up with them, trying to remember how to reassemble it, how you assembled it, it's just a headache. Believe me, I've done it before. Don't do it. Get something like this. You can still really dress this up nicely with a bed skirt and maybe a headboard against the wall. Make this look like a really, really nice bed, but you're going to be paying a fraction of the cost, and it's going to be so much easier to put together and assemble and move if you need to. Also really cool about this, it's high enough, I think 14 inches off the ground, to where you're going to be able to store things under it. So maximize your space, get a little storage in there. Also, it has recessed legs, so you don't have anything that's going to, stub your toe on, you're going to hit in the middle of the night. It's just a really good design. This is an awesome option. You guys go ahead and put this in your cart. Also check out Olee Sleep's mattresses. You'll be very glad that you did.